Hello, this is a quick video to have a bit of an overview of how you navigate through the manager's system within the job board, Symplicity. When you first log in as a manager, you actually see a different screen than either the students or the employers do. So it is unique to just the management side of things. In this management screen, you will see announcements that might be posted. You'll also see recent items that you have visited on your system. And then over here you see the most important part, which is new job postings and other updates that you might need to look at. Now, most of the time we're spending in this new job postings section, so we're going to take a look at that. And as well, you have other choices to navigate over on the far left. The most common ones to look at are looking at employer contacts or looking up a company. So each company might have several employer staff that have posted different jobs, and you can see them through the company way, or you can look them up as individuals. In the communications tab here at the top, that's where you set announcements for either students to view or for employers to view. Down here you will see the Symplicity neighborhood, and inside there are a number of training tutorials that you might find useful to view. And then if you're stuck at any point, the help desk phone number is always here, and you can call them for help with hopefully very straightforward things. If it's more complicated, they'll refer you to our manager, account manager, I mean. So let's go into new job postings, and just to give you a feel for what kinds of criteria are on here, sometimes there are notes or warnings at the top. You can search the jobs. These are the pending jobs. They have not been approved. They are not live for students to view. You can search using keywords. You can look at the job titles. If you click on any of these, you can go into the individual posting. It will give you a job unique ID for each posting and the location of where the job is. Here it lists who the company is, who the contact is, position type, whether it's volunteer, etc. And this is an important thing to look at, because as we scroll down, you will see here's a work study position, and those are only for Jessica Mueller to approve. While down here, UBCO Management Co-op, that is only for management staff to approve. So just leave those alone and don't approve them. These other ones, you will notice they each have a date beside them saying when they hope the position to be posted. And then the next date column is the date when they want to close the applications. So these, you will also notice, have little triangles in there. And you can click on the triangles and it will sort by either the most, in this case in the date column, it'll sort by most recent date, or you can sort by oldest. The summary statistics are right here. It shows the number per page, or you can choose show all in order to navigate around inside this data. So I put a test job in here, a fake job from my company, ABC Pizza. So you can see it listed here. And let's talk about how to approve that job. You click on it, and your job is to go through and make sure that this appears correct. If it's an Okanagan job, which this one is, you can choose the Okanagan flag and check that box so that it will be sorted in our summary widgets, which are little kind of text boxes that show on the website what's new on the job board. You make sure they've done all the mandatory. It wouldn't get to this stage if they hadn't done all the mandatory things, but you just want to check those asterisks, check that they're all correct. There's something in there, category, which kinds of students, all that kind of data, just make sure it's there. Sometimes I'm double checking to make sure if they request that the student do a cover letter or whatever, just make sure that that's consistent, because if they say something in their wording, for example, of the job application procedures in a text box, they might say something about a cover letter being required, but they didn't check it, so just take another look on that. They may have attached a PDF or whatever. You might want to just check that it's a legitimate company and just read through the wording in the text boxes of the job description, just to make sure they aren't asking for something that's unreasonable or unlawful in some cases. So once you get down to the bottom, there's some information here that is really just kind of talking about work study, so never mind those, not to worry. So you don't have to do those ones. Then when you're pretty satisfied that it looks legitimate and good, then you say this approved thing, you put yes. And now this job, which has the number 8108, so that's like its unique number. That job, once you hit, sorry for scrolling so much, once you hit this approved and hit either submit or save, it will be viewable by the students. So let's hit submit. Oh, errors detected. See the red box. Let's see where. So it is requesting that you do these mandatory fields even though they have to do with work study, so just do those. And now it's gone. It's not in the posting, the pending postings anymore. It's actually live. So then you can click the job postings tab and you can actually search for that. So 810840. So let's find it. Apply search. There it is. It's live and being viewed by students. So we can go in here now. We could actually look and see applications and how many students have viewed it and that kind of stuff, but never mind that. What we're going to do is kill this job. Delete. There it goes. You sure you want it? Yes. So I have now deleted that job and it is not live and viewable by the student. So there's a quick look at some of the features. Hope that helps you.